Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am coming on with a surprise Happy Mail video. This package comes from Venetta, and Venetta is Dora's Girls 9 on Instagram, and she is also the host for a SwapBot website swapping group. So SwapBot has like a lot of different groups in there, and she is the host to the pros crafter. I'm gonna have to put that in the description box, but she is the host for that group, and I join the swaps when I can. So she surprised me with some Happy Mail, but I will have all of that information and her Instagram, so you can go find her. And I I started opening up these edges, and I said, nope, I've got to show how she packaged this up. She has a little tag right here that says swap. So I am loving that tag. And it has to me from her. But look how she did that tag. Really, really cute. I like that. So she had it on there like that. And she has it tied with that purple ribbon. And look how pretty all this purple is. So I'm going to pause while I take it out of this wrapper. Okay, so on the bottom, between the wrapper and the box, on the bottom, she had me some die cuts. Oh, look at that glitter and that foil, all in different shades of purple. So thank you so much. Look at that. Thank you so much for these. So those will come in handy. And then here is, this is a box. And she made this box here. Love that. Create. I think I have that die right there. Look at that flower. She put some bling. Really, really pretty. So you open the box. Oh my goodness. So she did a card. Hello, crafty friend. Oh, that is cute. Oh, and look at all of this. That's like a paint, what do you call those things? You got the brushes, scissors. That looks like a sewing machine. Oh, so cute. Let me see the inside. Oh, she wrote me a note. So I'm going to read this notes off camera as soon as I get through. And look at the purple shred. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this one. Okay, how does this go? Okay, that's on there. Oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this. Oh, she made me some more. Venetta, I was on my last one. So she makes these cards, and she has sent these to me before. And what these are, if you're in a swap, or if you're just sending out some Happy Mail, if it's an entry to a challenge, you can see if you're just sending a card, a swap, if you're angeling for maybe a challenge, not a challenge, a swap or something, if you're just sending a rack, if it's a prize that you won. Oh, look at that. And you just circle the one that it is, and you put who it's to and what it's for. If it's just a group swap or Happy Mail or whatever, you put the day that you sent it, and then your information there. Thank you so much. And she has my website on there. Oh, Venetta, thank you so much. And I've got several. And I actually just used my last one. So thank you so much for these. These are awesome to have. So I love that. And then she had them in this acetate envelope, if you can see that. See that envelope? And that's what that flower is on. So she had these in there like that. And then look at that tassel on that purple, jumbo purple clip. And then she just had it in there holding it down like that. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. And then let's see. Look. Look at that little purse. Oh my goodness. Look at that little purse. And look at those. Oh, those are cute little flowers. Can y'all see that? There you go. Oh, those are so pretty. And then you open that like that. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. That is so pretty. And you guys, this is not paper. This is like metal. That is like a metal flower. Oh my goodness. And there's two. Look how pretty. These are actually metal. And when you look at them, they look like paper. But they're metal and the texture is like a... I can't describe it. But oh, how pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm going to set that there. Oh, look at that little bitty. Look at that little bitty box. Oh, I love the flowers. Oh my gosh. Then she's got some tulle right here. Can I untie that? Yeah. Some purple tulle. I have a feeling I know what swap this is too. Because everything is monochromatic. Okay. No, I'm going to pull this towards me so I can hurry up. So I think this is the monochromatic swap for last month that she hosted on the swap bot. And I did join that one as well. Matter of fact, I just mailed my package out. And to my partner. Okay. I got that undone and you open it up. Oh, look at these beads and charms. Oh, look at them flowers. I've never seen those. Those are so cute. And then look at these purple cracked beads. I've actually got some pink ones like this, but I don't have no purple. Look how pretty that purple is. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And those are 20 millimeter too. Oh, thank you so much for that. That one went somewhere over there. But look how cute that little box is. So adorable. And I'm going to, I think that's the swap. Yep, I can tell by looking at it. Look at the butterflies she just dropped in the box. And then some more goodies right here. Oh my goodness. Is this like a kit? Sorry for the crinkling. I'm just going to pull everything out right here. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. I think this is the Scrap Diva die because I have that. I just got it a few weeks ago. Oh my gosh, it's like the keychain die. I will put the link to this because I really like this die because it just houses your dangles so pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Thank you, Venetta. And then she has over here. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not going to tear it open yet, but this is those that you put the lip gloss in and the thing. And I believe she sent me a template for these. Oh my goodness. And then she sent me some gold edges. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted this see, and then when I do my template and I put it together, I've always wanted this, but I never did get it. So you could put your chapstick, lip gloss, or some rolled up money. And these are some strips, and I'm going to have to find out what this is for. Because like I said, I never purchased that set. And then here is, looks like some, oh, she gave me the little box. She gave me the little box, y'all. Oh, and a purse. I can tell. I'm not going to open it because I can see it. It's the purse, and then she gave me a die cut of this and this, the purse. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then that's a pretty purple die cut too. I can use it on a card or something. Venetta, thank you so much. I'm going to sit all of this right back there so I can push that right there. Now this right here, oh, I love how you did that. This right here was the swap that we were doing. And it was like a matchbook box. And we followed a tutorial. And look how pretty. Venetta, thank you so much for sending me. She sent me one, but she wasn't my partner. So thank you so much. And I'm going to pull it out. So this is how her thing is. I love it. I love it. Look at those pretty flowers. And see, this is how she used her card. And she circled Angel. Oh my goodness. It's the Paper Crafting Pros. That's the name of the group. Paper Crafting Pros on Swapbot. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the card, and she's got her information there. And you can see how she filled. She went ahead and filled mine out with my information. So this is the box. So the box came with 6 sections. And look what she put in mine. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Venetta, did you make these? These are made out of sequins and beads. These look like seashell sequins. Oh my goodness. Did you make those? So she gifted me 3 of those. And then she just has some more flowers in here. Oh my gosh. Like, I'll show the different ones. Look how pretty. Girl, thank you so much. And then I've got some of these tassels. And then here are some purple bows. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that color. So that is filled with there. Here is some ribbon flowers. So pretty. You're going to have to tell me if you made these or not. Y'all, I'm getting excited. I'm getting out of frame. Okay. So here is some, oh my gosh, look how many. Oh my gosh. These are the tailored expressions. The sentiment and little banner die cut. Love, love, love. I have a few, but I don't know if I have the birthday. Oh, thank you so much. But this is like the birthday. Congratulations. Thinking of you. With sympathy. Crafty friend. Oh, and it's full, y'all. There's more in there. Swap goodies. Oh, my goodness. And then right here is a doodad. I keep getting out of frame. Is a doodad pack. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that purple. I love them purple ones. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. I've got these in pink and red, but I don't have the purple. It's like a rope. Come on now. There you go. It's like a rope bow. So pretty. Thank you so much. I'm just going to drop them in there like that. And then let's see what this is right here. Oh, so that's the back. And that's the front. It's just like fuzzy little cabochons. So cute. So cute. So she gave me about 5 of those that fit right there. Those are so cute. Venetta, thank you so much for thinking about me. You really, really, really didn't have to do this, but thank you so much. I love it. And I love the purple. Everything is so pretty. I know purple is your color. I did mine in pink. And thank you so much. I love everything. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go over there to Instagram if you're on Instagram and support Venetta Doors Girls 9. I will have it in the description box. And check out the group swap as well. And I will have it linked. So y'all have a great rest of your week. And Venetta, thank you so much again. Thanks for watching.